Hi guys, so I've got another little video on useful equipment for setting up and repairing CB radios. So this is a power meter and SWR meter. It's a Zetagi Model 203. It's not the most accurate instrument in the world. So I've got over here a Thunderpole T-600, just there, and this meter is connected to this Zetagi DL50 dummy load. So the dummy load is necessary because you can't plug it into an antenna to actually measure the output power. Now, I happen to know that these T600s are generally set at 2.5 watts out of the factory. So if we key this up, which I can safely do because there's a dummy load there, that's showing just shy of 3 watts on that meter. So not the 2.5 where I would expect it to be. So that means it is probably 2 to 2.5, I would say. So I wouldn't take these as gospel. I'd get a better calibrated power meter, but it would give you some indication of how much power the radio is doing as long as it doesn't read more than 4 watts, which you don't want it to do. So it's on a 13.8 volt power supply. It's the one that I use for my Yaesu FT991A, which is currently at about 13.8 volts. I'll bring the camera down so you can see that. So that's the power meter for that. This was a Mydel one from Martin Lynch & Sons. So it's rated to about 35 amps, which is a bit excessive. So that's the radio transmitting. Those bars are meaningless. So, and there it is again on the meter. So it seems to think that it's close to 3 watts, but I'm pretty sure it's somewhere in the region of about 2.5. So I could probably turn that up a little bit, as long as it's still kept within the legal limits. So, hope that was of some help. So I might get a better meter than this at some point, but this is all I've got at the moment because of finances. So, 7.3 for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.